We are going to do star blanket, yeah? And star blanket, star pattern, you see them all the time. But I have to brag about it for First Nation people, because they make this so precise, yeah, that you could see a lot of mathematics in it. So what I did is that then I got my pattern here, red here, in here, yellow right in the center, see here? Could you see it visually? And then what? Top and bottom here, green, repeat again, yeah? See here? And then red, like that, yeah? Now, when you do star blanket, you have to make sure that you pick the strip that matches up with what? With the color here. So you have to stagger it like that. You follow me here? When you cut it, the way that you have to follow the pattern to cut it, yeah? If you don't, your star blanket is not going to be turned out. It's not going to make the pattern what you want when you put it together, yeah? Like that. Yeah? Then you tape it on the same side, and then you flip it over. Yeah. If you look at your cutting board, yeah, there's a 60 degree, there's a 45 degree, yeah, and you have to be like a carpenter, yeah, cut what? Cut a 45 degree. From math, knowing math, to seeing math in action, yeah, numeracy, yeah. You follow me here? Yes. See here, I got 45, yeah, slice off, yeah. Yeah, like that, yeah. 45 degree. That's what carpenter doing it all the time, yeah? And then I'm going to figure out here another 4 square here. 4 square make another 2 inches, yeah? You see that? We do it in the carpenter way, yeah? Like that, yeah? See that? Continue. Because you have to cut 8 strips. Once you get 2 by 2, you put them together, string with another 2, yeah? Just like that. See here? That's what it is, yeah? Make another pair of with all 4 diamonds, yeah? And then you make another half at the bottom here. Once you do it, you put 2 together, yeah? So always go in pair. Yes, always go in pair. Beautiful side, yes. So you tape it to the back. Okay, okay, yes. Yeah. And Justin is almost going finished here. Then you could line it up this way, yeah? See here? I have the star now, yeah? Yeah, Justin has a star now, yeah? Yeah. Could you hold up again for camera?